Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how a tiny pollen grain leads to the creation of a new plant? Well, in flowering plants, it is not just one but two fertilization events that happens, and that's what makes it truly special. Double fertilization, a unique phenomenon. In flowering plants, after a compatible pollen grain lands on the stigma, it germinates and forms a pollen tube. This tube grows through the style and enters the ovule via a small opening called micropyle. Inside the ovule, two male gametes are raised into the synergids. अब ध्यान दीजिए, यहाँ दो important फ्यूजन होते हैं, syngamy and triple fusion. Syngamy, one male gamete fused with the egg cell to form a diploid zygote. True. Second is triple fusion. The second male gamete fused with two polar nuclei in central cell to form a diploid primary endosperm nucleus (PEN). Because two fertilization events happens, this process is called double fertilization, and it's exclusive to angiosperms. क्या आपको पता था कि ये डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन सिर्फ फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स में होती है? ये उनकी एक खास पहचान. Now, after fertilization, what happens next? Once the double fertilization is done, several processes follow. Endosperm development. The primary endosperm nucleus divides and forms the endosperm, a tissue rich in nutrients. It provides nourishment to the developing embryo. Tender coconut water. That's actually free nuclear endosperm. ये कोकोनट वाटर जो हम मजे से पीते हैं, असल में एंडोस्पर्म ही होता है, जिसमें हजारों न्यूक्लियाई present. This is the example of nuclear endosperm. Embryo development. The zygote now divides and develops into an embryo, going through globular, heart-shaped, and richer stage. Why does endosperm develop for the embryo? Because the embryo needs nutrition, and endosperm is its first food source. Seed and fruit formation. The ovules becomes the seed, ovary matures into fruit, और इसी तरह से छोटी सी फर्टिलाइजेशन इवेंट एक नई लाइफ का आरंभ करती है. एक सीड, एक प्लांट, एक फॉरेस्ट. We have studied about double fertilization, in which syngamy and triple fusion occurs. Zygote that forms embryo, PEN that forms endosperm, ovule that forms seeds, and ovary matures into fruit. तो अब जब भी आप किसी फ्रूट या सीड को देखें याद रखिए उसके पीछे एक अमेजिंग डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन स्टोरी छुपी हुई। From pollen grain to a full-grown fruit, the journey begins with two fusions inside the flower. Is not plant production truly magical?